ดีค่ะ everyone! Monday! New recipe! As you can maybe hear, today I speak with my nose because it's winter and I got a cold. So, I felt like cooking a Thai clear soup with minced pork balls and egg tofu. The name is Kang Jued Tao Hoo Mu Sap. Excellent dish to keep yourself warm during winter. Are you ready? Let's go! Spring onion, coriander, egg tofu, white pepper, minced pork, seasoning cube, mushroom soy sauce, carrot, Chinese cabbage, sugar, and water. I will start cutting vegetables. For carrot, Chinese cabbage, and egg tofu, I will cut into bite size. I like to cut the tip half because it's easier to eat. Let's marinate our minced pork now. To do so, I will use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and then we will make it like a ball. Boil water. Once it's hot, add seasoning cube, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add the meatball. Wait after the meatballs are cooked before adding carrot and cabbage. After 1 or 2 minutes, add tofu, spring onion, and coriander because I don't like when it's overcooked. Sprinkle some white pepper for the final touch. And voila! Bon appetit! I will be short because I only think about one thing: going back under my blanket. Anyway, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, leave a comment, and shop that like button. Thank you for watching. See you next Monday. ขอบคุณค่ะ บ๊ายบาย